One Eagle 770C full auto roll-to-roll labeling machine is mainly used for posting label or covering the bottom label. It has highly accurate labeling, strong stability, intelligent control, touch-screen operation interface and powerful function. It has production technology function. It saves manpower, enhances productivity, and thus eases the production management. Material tray, brake, roller, label pressing device, man-machine interface, traction device, label peeling plate, material receiving device, material tray, electric control cabinet. Operation procedure. Start. Turn on the power switch and air source. Adjust the air source to 0.4 MPa and then adjust the tension axle to 0.1. Installation material. Install the tag sticker. Install the label. Commissioning for production. Adjust the paper feeding of tag sticker. Enter the system. Turn on the switch of rolling stepping and rolling motor to start them, and observe the paper feeding of tag sticker. If there is any deviation, please adjust the bolts on both sides of rolling stepping device until the paper feeding is smooth. Adjust tag sticker. Turn on the switch of traction motor. Rolling stepping and rolling motor, and observe the tension of tag sticker nearby by electric eye of measuring mark. If it is loose, please regulate the bolts on both sides of pressure axis before and after traction rubber roll until the tension of tag sticker tight. Adjust the electric eye of the measuring object until the value is more than the initial value and less than 4,000. Adjust the electric eye of measuring object. Put the label in the middle of electric eye of measuring object. Press the black button for electric hole of measuring object for 3 seconds. When the electric eye of measuring object keeps flickering, press the black button again. Remove the sticker and put the backing paper in the middle of the electric eye of the measuring object and press the black button for 8 seconds. Then, pull the label paper until the electric eye of measuring object flickers normally. Turn on the switch of traction motor, rolling, stepping and rolling motor. Automatic interface, label servo switch, winding step forward switch, winding motor switch, plan output settings, clear button, start button, stop button, alarm reset. Manual interface, label servo, winding steps forward, lamination cylinder, winding motor, label positioning, cancel positioning. The parameter interface. 1. Production output setting. The total number of planned production output when the actual production quantity is greater than the planned production quantity will stop running. 2. Empty downtime. When the machine in the empty downtime, the product is not put into production, the machine will stop running. 1 is less than or equal to the set value, less than or equal to 32,767 units. Second. 3. Measurement filter. Set the minimum interval time of 2 product in production cycle. Any mode is valid. 0.0 is less than or equal to the set value, which is less than or equal to 32.767 units. Second. 4. Labeling delay. Set the object measuring sensor detected to the product to the traction motor before the action. Any mode is valid. 0.0 is less than or equal to the set value, which is less than or equal to 32.767 units. Second. 5. Stop delay. Set from the label measuring sensor detected the complement of one label. Delay the stop of the label producing. Any mode is valid. 0.0 is less than or equal to the set value, which is less than or equal to 32.767 units. Second. 6. Automatic traction speed. Set the automatic traction running speed of the motor. 100 is less than or equal to the set value, which is less than or equal to 3,200 units. Second. 7. Manual traction speed. Set the manual traction running speed motor of the motor. 100 is less than or equal to the set value, which is less than or equal to 3,200 units. Second. 8. Automatic winding speed. Set the automatic winding operation speed of the motor. 100 is less than or equal to the set value, which is less than or equal to 20,000 units. Second. 9. Manual winding speed. Set the manual winding speed of the motor. 100 is less than or equal to the set value, which is less than or equal to 20,000 units. Second. I/O monitoring interface. Adjust the top and bottom, left and right, front and back, and inclination on the label, and put up the label paper on the proper position. Normal production. Shutdown. Turn off air source and the power. Repair. Replace the electric eye of measuring object. Replace the electric eye of measuring mark. Replace the labeling motor and stepping motor.